There are what's in the box. First, peel off the clear protective films on the light tubes. Check the direction of the arrows on each tube. When installing, make sure the arrow on the tubes matches the red arrow in the diagram. Connect the light tubes with connectors. If the connector is attached incorrectly, press the front buckle, pull it out, and reconnect it in the correct direction. Then, simply connect the rest of the light tubes and connectors one by one. After assembly, double-check that the arrows on the light tubes match the red arrow in the diagram. Search Banlan X in the App Store or scan the QR code to download and install. Click Sign Up at the top right, fill in the required info, then log in after successful registration. After successful registration, tap the Add Device button, select your device from the search results, and complete the setup. Dynamic effects. Click the effect icon at the bottom to select the dynamic effect you want.
Fire. Westfield. Gradual snake. Lighting. Twinkle up.
Music effects. Click the Music tab at the top of the screen to switch the light to music mode. Then tap the icon at the bottom to select the dynamic effect you want.
Spectrum. Starts.
Tap the heart icon to add your favorite mode to your favorites. That way you can quickly access it anytime.